frosting on the cake, and now I'm going to use my frosting spatula to smooth it over nicely so that it has a fine decorating surface. Since this cake is intended to have a Thanksgiving theme, I have taken out 3 bowls of white frosting and will color them with some Thanksgiving colors. I've selected yellow, red, and in the largest one I will make orange with a drop of red. I now have the colors ready to use. I've added the tip to the decorator's bag, and now I will secure it with a coupling. The coupling is on and the tip is now secure. The frosting has been added to the bag, and I will now secure it and tie it. I will pipe the frosting along the edges of the cake. Here, I've just noticed I've run out of frosting. I was not prepared with enough frosting for this task. This is a lesson learned. I will go and add more. I will now attempt to write Happy Thanksgiving nicely on the top of the cake using a different writer's decorating tip. I'm a little nervous because I used some of the yellow to make more orange to solve my problem earlier. I'll have to be careful how I do this. I've just completed the writing. You can see it says Happy Thanksgiving, but I've noticed it's difficult to record and use the decorating tip at the same time. Another lesson I've learned, I need to have someone down here recording to help me. I have my flower nail as well as my 3rd decorating tip. I'm going to attempt to exceed my goal in using 2 tips for this cake to using 3 tips. I need to create the first petals for the center of my rose. My frosting continues to kind of flop over. It's not having the desired effect that I would like it to have. Not sure what's causing this. And this is where I think about the 3rd lesson that I've learned, which is sometimes you need a real life teacher. I would love an opportunity to ask an instructor, what am I doing wrong? Am I holding it incorrectly? Is the frosting the wrong consistency? Sometimes experience can really aid in providing that necessary help and instruction that one might need. I'll continue to work on this rose to the best of my ability. But again, while I certainly believe in technology as a powerful tool for learning, I also know it's no replacement for a teacher. So here's my first attempt at a rose on my rose nail. So it looks like my frosting rose didn't turn out quite so good. I've attempted to recover the best of my ability. However, I have been successful in learning a couple of different things. I am successful in using a few different styles of tips. You can see the different style with the frosting edges, as well as the writing tip that I use to not only write the words, but to create a little floral design. I may not be ready for the bakery yet, but I'm still learning.